How to fix 500 internal server error on Google Chrome Android 2025 update. Before we begin, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more quick Android fixes. If you're seeing a 500 internal server error on Google Chrome for Android, don't panic. This error usually comes from the website server, but there are a few things you can safely try on your phone. First, refresh the page. A temporary server issue can sometimes fix itself with a simple reload. Second, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on for 10 seconds and turn it off again. Third, clear Chrome cache. Go to Phone Settings, then Apps, then Chrome, then Storage, then Clear Cache. Do not clear data unless necessary. Fourth, open the website in incognito mode. This helps rule out issues caused by saved cookies or extensions. Fifth, update Google Chrome. Open Play Store, search Chrome, and install the latest version to avoid compatibility issues. If the error still appears on only one website, the problem is on the website server, not your phone. In that case, the only fix is to wait and try again later. Pro tip: avoid using VPNs or third-party browsers when testing errors. They can cause false server issues. That's it. Now you know how to fix or understand the 500 internal server error on Chrome Android. If this helped, like the video, subscribe, and comment "Solve"